people, so we are at this place called Seven Sisters, and this is just out of the world. Are you sure? Yeah, come. Yes, yes. And this is a very cute place. We're sitting inside, and as you can see, it's okay. Now, yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. But Achu, I need to record to Anviku. Can you have it and show us? Yeah. Yes, if you can tell us how it. Actually, you ordered correctly because what happens? Anviku can't dip it with that. What is this called? Avocado? Can you just use your hand? I think. Yeah, can I?
Yeah.
Achu, I may not be able to manage the phone and the. Thank you.
It's very nice.
Okay. It's impossible to have it.
No, you can.
Yeah.
How did I wish?
Achu, you have it.